Do you ever look at a stranger and wonder about their life? What brought them here? What are their joys and struggles? What lessons have they learned? On a 2-day boat ride through Laos, I found myself surrounded with people from all over the world. Travelers and locals, young and old. I knew I wouldn't have the time to talk to everybody, so I tried something different. I passed around my journal and asked, what's the best life advice you have? One by one, the notebook made its way through the boat, filling with wisdom, humor, and stories from people I'd never even spoken to. By the end, 102 people had written in it, some of their words bringing me to tears later on. It was a beautiful reminder that no matter where someone comes from in the world, there is always something that they can teach you. Feel free to follow along as I'll be sharing some of their best advice tomorrow.